Good morning, good afternoon, good evening mga ma'am. Si Mami J dito from Baby Jet Set Go. Kakabalik lang namin recently from Philippines to Singapore flight and then Singapore to Auckland, New Zealand where we live. And gusto ko ipakita sa inyo ang business class. So actually ito siya. Yan yung anak ko kasama ko sa flight. Tapos meron siyang amenity kit. So when you get to business class, nakasulat yung name mo actually sa bawat seat that you get into. Ayan, tapos meron siyang footstool, tapos pwede ka rin maglagay sa ilalim ng bag, ng ilalim ng footstool area. So, maluwag siya. Tapos, ito naman, yung IFE or um, so IFE stands for in-flight entertainment. Pwede ka manood ng mga movies, ng mga series, or may mga radio station din dyan. It completely pops out. Tapos, ito yung remote niya na nagpa-pop out din and then you can drag it kasi nakatali siya. You can drag it and then change the channels from there. Tapos, syempre, pagdating mo, meron ka ng water dyan. Iba talaga yung treatment ng business class and the seats are super comfortable. Tapos, ito, meron siyang earphones na noise-canceling headphones. So, you can watch in peace and wala ka ibang maririnig talaga pag gamit mo. Ito naman ang ating amenity kit, tsaka yung mga laman niya. Open it. May socks for overnight. Siyempre, sleeping pag matutulog na tayo. Merong earplugs, toothbrush, tsaka pen. Ito, Kawa Kawa Balm. Napakaganda nito actually. You can use it for the lips, for the skin. Pwede rin siya. Ito pa ang ating mahanap. White Glow toothpaste. This one is the Manuka Honey na lotion. So, yan. When you set it up, yung table mo, it pops out from the side and it's actually a full table. So, pwede mong i-move yung IFE mo right in front of you and then, ito ang ating dinner selection. So, yan. Na-serve na yung dinner to my daughter. Naglagay pa sila ng parang placemat doon na cloth, tablecloth na maliit. And then there's bread, and then there's, I think she got chicken. Tapos pag matutulog na, pwede mo lang tawagin yung flight attendant natin, and then they're gonna take a few minutes to set up the bed for you. So meron yang amenity, may kit yan na nasa likod ng silya, tapos nandun yung mattress, yung mga pillows, saka yung bed covers. So it only takes a few minutes to lay it down. So usually patayo lang yung mga tao pag sineset up, pero my daughter went right across me kasi yung configuration ng Air New Zealand na business class is herringbone, so parang crisscross kayo. So kitang-kita ko siya pagkaan siya. Ayan, nilalagay lang nila yung mga kumot nando sa ibabaw, nalalagyan. Okay, yan, ready na siya to sleep, pwede siya mag-seatbelt, and there, good night!